Want to make money this year on TikTok, then watch this video. But before I play this video, first of all, click the follow button up right there, like this video, share this video to your friends who might also want to make money this year on TikTok, and comment I want to make money on this video. Save this video for you to come back and watch it later.
Let's go.
Wow.
People that are using the international TikTok account today. TikTok has paid people that are using the international TikTok account today. Make I show now my receipts. We just cashed out today, and some of you are here believing when people say TikTok now they pay. The highest I've rejoined is £110. So convert. Wait, let's convert £110 to naira. £110. Pounds presently is 2,095 naira. £110 converted to naira is 230k. Yes. Some people they work, they collect 20,000 as monthly salary. Some people they work, they collect 50k as monthly salary. But somebody is sitting down on TikTok and collecting 230,000 naira as a monthly salary. Yes. And then that same person is coming out to say TikTok does not pay.
Wow.
This same person does crypto. I've been at forex trading. So TikTok money might be little for her because she's into crypto. Yes. But that particular money will go
wow.
a long way for someone else who doesn't do crypto or who doesn't have any serious means of survival. That is why I would so much fight against anybody coming on here to tell people that TikTok does not pay.
Yes. Wow. Yes.
Because it actually does. If you were sitting in your house, nobody will carry £110 and come and give you. If you were sitting in your house, nobody will bring 230k and throw it into your bank account.
Yes. Yes.
At least you are able to do something.
Wow. Yes. Yes. Yes.
For yourself. That is why I am here to tell you now. If you want a UK TikTok account that you can monetize, please, the account comes with 0 followers. You will work to make your money. Because if you are going for your monthly job where you go Monday till Friday, now work you go work before they go pay you. You are going to work to make your money. It is 20,000 naira. Send me a DM to get.
You've heard what you said, right? If you don't have a UK TikTok account here on TikTok, you are just wasting your time. Yes, you are wasting your time, because if you don't have a UK TikTok account, TikTok is not gonna pay you. See, now you heard what she said. She said 20k for UK TikTok account to get one for yourself. But right here, I'm going to give it out to my followers just for 3k. I will give it out just for 3k. I don't know if you heard me. I said 3k. Now, if you already have a UK TikTok account and you don't know how to grow it, don't worry, I got it covered. I have a WhatsApp channel that I've already created. Join the WhatsApp group. Click the link on my bio to message me on WhatsApp for your UK TikTok account, or to join the WhatsApp group. Remember, the UK TikTok account is sold for just 3,000 naira. To join the WhatsApp group is just 1,000 naira. So click the link on my bio now to join. Don't get lost. Let's make money together this year. Don't play.